This is Noah. He's almost 2 weeks old and he has the hiccups. He gets the hiccups a lot, really. Hiccup doesn't seem to mind him much. Just hanging out having the hiccups. Hiccup. What are you looking for? There's a hiccup. What do you think about those hiccups, buddy? What do you think about them? You're still looking around. What do you see? What do you see? Hmm? Oh, stretch out your neck. Good job. Alright, say bye. And there's my little hand. Bye. I'll see you later.